All right. Hey, what is up? It's your girl. Hey, what is up? It's your girl BIRAH, aka BIRAH on a budget, honey. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, they, them, theirs. Yes, yes, yes. Anyways, welcome back to another video. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. In today's video, I have a date night look. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. Yeah. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me stop. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the video. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, but I'm gonna come back to you and show you how I do my shadow, okay? My makeup. Let's get into it. Hey. Okay, so for my base, I'm gonna use my P. Louise base, and I'm using 0.5. I got the lightest one that they had. So my LA Pro Girl concealer, Fawn. So I'm using that, and I'm mixing them two together to make my base for my lid, you know? And it kind of looks like this. So it's the one right here. So it's this one here. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And it kind of didn't change the consistency. It kind of like looks like a mix of the LA Girl consistency, which is a little thicker. It's not too thick. But I'm putting that on my lid. I'm trying not to talk because this is a voiceover. This is a voiceover. All right. To quote the great Sweetie, I'm gonna go ahead and tap in this concealer all over my lids so I can prime and set, okay, my shadow in place. I'm gonna use this light pink color, and I'm just gonna place that all over my lid, and I'm just gonna tap that product right onto my lid. Do not swirl, do not swipe, just tap it on there. That's how you get as much pigment as you can. Trust the process, sis. Trust the process. All right, so to blend out that pink color, I'm just gonna put like a light nude just to blend it out a little bit more. I don't want it to be as harsh. And now I'm just gonna zoom in respectfully. Okay, that's enough. All right, I'm gonna start a light transition with this wine color. I'm just gonna say it's a wine color. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease just to add a little depth, you know? Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this darker, like eggplant kind of color shadow. And I'm just going to enforce that crease a little bit more, okay? We want her to be pronounced, okay? Okay. And so now I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm just blending all of this out just to make sure that everything is seamless. Now I'm going to put this sparkly pink in the corner of my eye. Cause you know I like a little glitter, you know I like a little pop, pop. Now it's time to line, and I'm just doing a tight line, and I really didn't want to wing it out, but everybody loves a good wing, you know, who doesn't? Anyways. All right, now it's time for mascara. We're gonna put that all over our lashes and coat it gently. Yes, we will. Who is she? It's the lashes for me. It's the melanin for me. It's the flawless foundation for me. It's the pink shadow for me. Welcome back. This is my finished look. My beautiful Valentine's Day date night glam makeup look. These are the ones I used, period. Oh, it's also Black History Month, y'all. Happy Black History Month. So for Black History, I definitely use, this is my favorite Black-owned business, Juvias Place. Okay, go ahead and check them out. That's the foundation I use, the concealers, the palettes, okay? They are very highly pigmented for black skin, black girl skin, like brown skin. I said black girl skin. For dark skin and brown skin girls, okay? Sis, go ahead and get you some. Go ahead and get you some, okay? Get into the details. Yes, ma'am. Let me try to zoom in and see how I feel. Come on, baby. Zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Make it hot, go boom, boom. Supernova girl. Let's zoom out, y'all, because I'm feeling myself a little bit too much. I'm a little too close. I'm a little too close. Okay, y'all, listen. I am loving this Valentine's Day date night makeup look. Okay, if you like it, leave a comment down below and say yes, sis, yes. Okay, because your girl did this. Your girl, she did it. Okay, and it gave. I don't know how to say it, but anyways, if you like this makeup look, or if you want more Valentine's Day glam makeup looks, I might do a cut crease. If you want to see a cut crease, comment down below, say cut crease, let me know. Okay, all right, well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. Okay, join the sisterhood, period. Let me stop. Anyways, I'm done, y'all. Okay, because this look, it gave everything that it gave. It gave everything that it gave. Okay, and if you want a foundation routine, let me also know in the comments if y'all want to know how to get a flawless base, period. All right, y'all, I hope y'all like this video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, peace. Okay, come on, let's slay together. Okay, let's slay, period. All right, I'm done now. Peace.